Clapperboard 0 to monetized, simple YouTube strategy that works. What if I told you that you don't need years to get monetized on YouTube? Some small creators are doing it in weeks, and today, I'll show you the exact simple strategy that actually works. Understand monetization. To get monetized on YouTube, you need either 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million views on shorts within 90 days. So the goal is simple: get attention fast. Focus on shorts first, fastest method. If you want the fastest growth, start with shorts. Post at least 1 to 3 shorts every day. Shorts can go viral even if you have 0 subscribers. One viral video can bring thousands of subscribers overnight. Don't guess content, copy what works. Most people fail because they guess what to post. Instead, search your niche and find videos that already have high views. Then make a better version, shorter, more engaging, or more clear. Hook viewers immediately. The first 3 seconds decide everything. If people don't stay, your video dies. Don't start with, "Hey guys." Start with something like, "This mistake is why your videos don't grow." Mix shorts plus long videos. Use shorts to grow fast, but also post longer videos to build watch hours. Even 2 to 3 long videos per week can push you toward monetization quickly. Consistency equals growth. You don't need perfect videos, you need consistent videos. The more you post, the more chances you have to go viral. Titles and thumbnails matter. People don't click videos, they click titles and thumbnails. Warning Part 8, avoid fake growth. Don't use bots, fake views, or shortcuts. You can get banned and lose everything. If you follow this simple strategy, you can go from 0 to monetized faster than most people. Subscribe if you want more real YouTube growth tips, and